Good morning to you, Vanessa. What's at stake in this case is the president's livelihood as well as the livelihood of his family here in New York. They simply could be banned from doing business here if this trial doesn't go his way. And the judge has already dealt him a blow before the trial. So his attorneys have an uphill legal battle to start this. Let me show you the images coming out of court yesterday because it really sets the tone for the courtroom and what's going on here. The former president scouring feet from New York Attorney General Letitia James, who brought this case against him. This is a civil fraud trial where the judge, Arthur Engoron, has already declared evidence shows former President Trump committed fraud by lying about the value of his assets and essentially inflated his net worth by at least $2 billion in favor of better loans and ripping off insurance companies. This trial, which has no jury, is determining the penalties, which means the Republican presidential frontrunner could be banned from doing business here in New York, pay up to $250 million in fines, and lose control of some of his properties, including Trump Tower. The Trump legal team is arguing the loans on these properties in question represent a small portion of the business empire they have. The banks knew the risks and made money off the deals and said that there are no victims in this case. President Trump lashed out, calling this a sham of a case before court, and then even spoke once again during the lunch break, ripping the judge. Listen.
We're going to be here for months with a judge that already made up his mind. It's ridiculous.
My message is simple. No matter how powerful you are, no matter how much money you think you may have, no one is above the law.
The president visibly frustrated yesterday, even shaking his head at times in court in front of the judge. And also the judge said that this will likely go till December, which Trump has said is unfair. He said he doesn't have a jury, and this is not on his side with a judge who's already made up his mind. Trump is expected to testify. There are about 28 witnesses in this case, including his 3 adult children. We're live outside 60 Center Street. I'm Calorama, PIX 11 News.